Deepavali is a festival of lights that is celebrated in Bharat for 5 days, and this year starts from the 10th of November, that is a Friday. We celebrate Dhanteras. Dhan means wealth, and Teras is the 13th day of the dark fortnight of the Kartik Mass. You know why it is celebrated? Because we worship Lord Dhanvantari, who is the Lord of Ayurveda. Wealth is not money, wealth is healthier. So please look after your health. The next day, that is Saturday, comes Narak Chaturdashi. It is the day when Sri Ram, after killing Ravan, came back home in Ayodhya. Celebrated with lights, diyas everywhere. Sunday we have Amavas, that is the main Diwali Lakshmi Pujan. It is said on this day, after churning of the Milky Ocean, Mahalakshmi came out and got married to Vishnuji. Then on Monday we have Govardhan Puja. This is the day when Krishna Bhagavan lifted the Govardhan hill to protect the cattle and everyone from the wrath of Indra and kill his ego. And last but not the least is Bhai Dooj, that is on Tuesday. It's a very special day when the bond between relations, especially sisters and brothers, are celebrated, respected. Entire Bharat comes together. It is beyond relation, it is a festival of light and joy because the light is within you. Remove the ignorance because every day is full of light. Enjoy it. Let's celebrate together. Hari Om Tat Sat.